I'm going to pull the fire alarm at school. Ha 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 ha! 3, 2, 1. Okay, class. Today we will be doing math. Take out your notebooks and turn to a clean page and solve this problem on a whiteboard. Hey, what's going on? It must be a fire drill. Anyone, run up at the door, please. Single file. Venture to the right down the stairwell. Run up at the soccer field. Okay, now we have to wait until Principal Warthog tells us that we can go back inside. Attention, staff and students. That was a false alarm. Someone pulled the fire alarm and caused it to go off. We are now looking for the person who did it. In the meantime, you may turn back into the building. Good job, everyone. You guys took the situation very seriously. You didn't talk, you didn't fool around, and you stayed in line. Good job. But does anyone know who was responsible for pulling the fire alarm? I know who it was. It was Classic Harry. He was the only one in the hallway before the alarm started to sound. Oh my God! Thanks for telling me that, Harry. I'm going to tell the principal about this. Hello, Professor Letter C. What can I do for you? I found the culprit of the person who pulled the fire alarm. It was Classic Harry Hogs. What? Oh my God! Thanks for telling me. He is going to be in deep trouble. I'm going to bring him now. Classic Harry Hogs. Please report to the principal's office immediately. Classic Harry, take a seat. So I just heard that you were the one who pulled the fire alarm. Is it true? Yes, I did. I pulled the fire alarm. What? Oh my God! Oh! Classic Harry! I can't believe you pulled the fire alarm! That's it! I'm calling Emily to come in here! Hello, Emily. Your son pulled the fire alarm at school today. Please come here so we can discuss punishments. Okay, thank you. Bye. Emily is coming too. So, Emily, your son Classic Harry pulled the fire alarm at school today. This will have some big consequences. Your son is going to be suspended from school for a month, and your family will have to pay a $500 fine. I'm sorry, but that is a state law. If he's older, he can have went to jail for pulling the fire alarm when there is no fire. It's a very serious offense, and it's against the school code. Let's go home now, Classic Harry. When Emily and Classic Harry got home. Oh my God, Classic Harry! How dare you pull a fire alarm at school! You are very lucky that you are not in prison. That's it! You are grounded until we pay the fine. Go to your room now.